welcome to my channel. I'm just doing this quick video because this is next month's tutorial, all finished. And for part of this tutorial, especially the ears and the fur coming over the collar, I've used the slice tool. So this is the slice tool, it's a ceramic blade, and when you use it, you use the corner of this blade, and I will show you in this video, and it just sort of adds, removes the pigment from the paper that you've applied. Now with the Fabriano you need to apply a lot of layers, which we do in this tutorial, but I also wanted to come on and explain the tape method, as through the tutorial I talk about you can use your tape, and realise that I never actually showed an example of me using the tape. So I'm doing it before the tutorial goes live, so you can decide whether you want to use a slice tool or if you want to use an indenting tool and some tape. Now for this tutorial you don't need to use either. You could use an eraser, or you could just go in and indent the paper where you've got some really white highlights. This is just kind of extra details what I do with a piece. So yeah, I'm going to zoom into the ear and I'm going to show you exactly how you would use this tape method. So first off, if I show you with the slice tool, I'd come in with the slice tool, and as I just scrape gently along here, you can see how it's just giving me some nice little white flyaway hairs. This is all this is, it's like little flyaway hairs, and that's because I've got enough layers on this ear to create the marks. I could then come back in with the colour pencils and I can go over those marks, or I can blend them in quite easily, which is a great thing to do. Now with the tape method, I use, sorry it's covered in tape, I use Scotch magic tape. I got this from Amazon, I think quite cheap on Amazon as far as I remember. I've had this for well over a year now and there's still loads left. And what I would do is I would just take a bit of the tape, don't need a lot, and then I would place it on the back of my hand and just remove some of that tackiness. You could place this on your trousers, something like that. Just remove a bit of the tackiness, and then I would come in with an indenting tool. Now this is a nail indenting tool, again from Amazon. It came in a pack of 5 I think, and this is the tip that's got the smallest end. Obviously with these tools you get different sizes. I've got one here, let me show you this one. So in comparison you can see the difference in those tips. So you could use different indenting tools to create different flyaway hairs, different lengths of the flyaway hairs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this smallest one and my tape, and I would just put the tape on top of an area where I want maybe a flyaway hair, and then use that indenting tool. And can you see how it's now, the pigment is now, the pigment is now on the tape, and I've been left with a nice white hair. So this is just how you would use the tape method. Come in and remove hair, and again with the tape method we can come in over the top. We can define these white hairs even more. We can blend over the top of them if we didn't want that hair there anymore. So this is what I mean by when you watch the March tutorial of this spaniel puppy using the tape method. You're going to just come in with the tape over the top and add some flyaway hairs. So yeah, I hope that's helped. If you've got any questions, let me know and I'll do some longer videos. I wanted to do just a quick video to show you what I mean. So you have the tape method for this spaniel ear, or you have the slice tool. I do use the slice tool throughout the whole of this tutorial, but the tape method is just as good. I used to use the tape method way before I got the slice tool. So yeah, any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you all in March when the tutorial for this little spaniel puppy uploads. Let me zoom you out and you can see her. Okay, there she is. So this is March's tutorial. The first one is coming up next week, if I'm remembering correctly. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed drawing her. I had a lot of fun drawing her. The ear looked crazy, but I do talk you through it step by step, and we cover the ear in about 3 parts, I think. And we do ear, then a bit of the fur on the face, back to the ear. So we don't go crazy doing this ear, and you will see just how easy it is to create a crazy ear like this. But like I say, any questions about the slice tool or the tape method, let me know, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. See you all soon. Bye everybody.